Want quick access to your favorite channels on the Xfinity Stream app? Start by opening the app and navigating to the live TV guide or channel list. Look for the favorite icon, usually a heart or star, next to the channel you want to add. Tap or select it to add to favorites. On phones and tablets, you can swipe or long press on a channel to see the Add to Favorites option. For smart TVs or Roku devices, use your remote's OK button to select the favorite option. Once added, your chosen channels will be saved in a dedicated Favorites section, making it easy to access them without scrolling through everything. Once you've added favorites, you can find them in the Favorites tab within the app. You can reorder your favorites by dragging them into your preferred sequence, or remove a channel by deselecting the heart star icon. Since 2024, you can even group favorites into custom folders. Remember, to add a channel, it needs to be part of your Xfinity TV package. Keep in mind that you need an active Xfinity account and the app installed. Finally, all changes will sync across your devices via your Xfinity ID, ensuring your favorites are consistent everywhere you watch.